Hello UiPath experts. So welcome to the UiPath Learner channel. Thanks for subscribed my channel. Please share my videos. Today we'll see that so what is a in the orchestrator there is a triggers. See in the trigger session there is a trigger. So if you click on the trigger, add trigger, so you can see there is a two things. One is the timely triggers, and then one is a queue triggers. Okay, start a job when new items are added to the queue. So let us see. So we'll take a normal example like this one. If any queue is added, any item is added to the queue, it has to start immediately the job which is adding to this queue. Okay, so basically we'll create a two kind of process. One is data entry and add item to queue. Okay, otherwise add to queue. Okay, so this is two projects we will create. One is the data entry and another is first let's start the data entry. Create a new process like a data entry. Okay, so what we can do, data entry, let's open this application. So to open this application, this is my UiDemo.exe. I'm just taking the path as a copy as a path and go to the UiPath Studio and create a one variable to store the path of the UiDemo.exe and open that. So we will do all the kind of things are hard coded, so username, password, everything. Okay, so the main, okay, and so what are the things? So you have to open application. You can just drag and drop and indicate on screen. So you can indicate the this one UI demo, so that it will automatically take the path of that UI demo. So see here, this UI demo is automatically taken. Then so if you want to maximize, you can maximize, or just type into just type into here. You can type information, username. Before that, what we can do before that, and we will get transaction item. Let's use a get transaction item, and I'm just creating the one QueueItem. That is a dummy. It does not have anything. Just create a dummy item called three values queue. Okay, add, and we have a three values queue. So it does not have anything, but we will assume that so it has a three values list. Okay, so get QueueItem. So you're getting a QueueItem transaction item. So I'm giving the queue name, and the output is a transaction item. Just like take a trans item. Trans item is a queue item. So here you're just adding that trans item. So basically you are using the username, right? Admin, and take another type into. These are all common for all the items. Password, the password field, in the password field, and the password is a password, the default password. Okay, so click on that sign in button, login button. So and this will do the same thing, admin, password, click login. So here while you are typing, so you have to, so what we can do, I'm just collapsing this one, and just try to create a three type intos. Type into one, indicate on screen here, trans item. There is a trans item dot specific content of 1 dot toString. Okay. Basically the 1 is not there, that is the first item. Okay, 1 item 1, otherwise you can item 1. Okay, and so there you can just mention like a empty field, and if you want to click on that, you can click on that. Okay, so in the same way, so I'm just preparing the same text box. We can type all the values by using the tab. So because see, he's checked here, type tab. Okay, so we can do the same thing here. After clicking the tab, plus key tab, okay, plus this one. This is the second item, item number 2, here item number 1, and plus k means key tab, okay, plus is item number 3. These things are not built, but we are just assuming this. We have a queue item has a 3 fields. Okay, after that, just click on that, type in click activity, click on this accept button. Okay, once everything is done, you just close window, close workbook, close application. So just close this application. Okay, done. This project is done. I'm just publishing this project. Publish this project, and the version, same version. This is a data entry project. Okay, data entry project is published. Now data entry project is done. Okay, now let's create another project called what is that? Our project name, the second project name, add to queue. Okay, add to queue. There's add to queue, create. This is a new project, so what we can do, go to here. So we have a queue, right? What is the queue name? 3 values queue. Okay, 3 values queue is the queue name. And what are the packages? The packages, you can find the data entry package just now a minute ago. Okay, a minute ago is we published. And create a process. Go to the processes. Here processes. Create a process. Select the package, that is a data entry. Select the version is same, and environment, dev environment. Okay, create. Okay, job priority. So it's you can have prioritize the job. They introduce newly, high priority, normally, low priority. I click on create. Okay. So process is created. Just go to the triggers and create a trigger. So what trigger we have to create? Queue trigger, not timely trigger. This is a schedule, so you can run the job based on the timings. Okay, but here is a queue trigger. Click on the queue trigger. Run now, or run when queue added. Run when queue added, and this process we have to select here. That is a data entry dev environment, and the job is like a and this job is so you can create anything, and I'm just adding that or we have to add a time zone. Select the queue name, so which queue we have to select, 3 value queue. Okay, and click on add. So time zones, I'm just selecting time zone. Normally it is in IST, there is a Chennai, Kolkata, Mumbai, Bangalore. Select the time zone is not current tenant. Okay, let it be. Okay, so maybe the tenant, where is the tenant is, let me create again. Let's go again here, cancel triggers, create a new trigger. See here, run on queue added. That is our queue name. Select the process, what you have to run the process. Select the queue name which you want to monitor. That's it, add. Okay, so now we created the one trigger on the queue. Okay, if any item added to the queue, it has to run the process of data entry process. Okay, now the see run on queue added, that is our queue, our trigger, that is a queue based trigger. And let us create our own the new project, like a adding the data into the queue. Okay, let us just add queue item. Just drag add queue item, give the add queue name. What is the queue name? What is the queue name? This is a queue name, right? This is a queue name. And giving the queue name here. Here, and information. So let's give the information like the same item 1, that is like a 1112, item 2, the same items what we given in that time, item 3. Okay, that is a 3334. Let's click on the, so why it is showing error? Because of the data type. Okay, what we can do, so we can give these values in the double quotes, so as it is strings, because you can create in the 3334. See, everything is perfect. Click OK. Simple process, add to queue. I'm just running this one. We'll see what will happen. Okay, basically it will add the new item to the queue. Let us see in the queues. You can see here. Oh, okay, it's added the new queue item to the queues. See, the robot is running now. Perfect, super. Okay, understand? So what happened? We didn't run the project 1. So what we ran? So we have a data entry, but that data entry is not open. Here is our project is a different project. Okay, add to queue item, and if you add this to queue item, so the another project is running. Okay, that is triggering the another project. That is so the robot is listening. Let's try another value. 359. Yeah, simple single activity is there. There is no code for adding, opening the UI demo, feeding the information. That is not this process. I'm just running and just sit and see here. Okay, what will happen? The robot is running, and see it will trigger the UI robot, and it is opening, logging in and open, adding the information, accept, close. This is the trigger. So it's a really awesome future. Triggers. So triggers, up to now we saw the triggers with the time based, but here you can see the triggers with the queue triggers. Okay, queue triggers when the queue is added. It's very useful. So when the people added the items to the queue. So for example, so if one process is just checking the emails, and if email comes, so it will add the email details to the queue. That's the job of that process. Okay, just adding the subject, body, in the maybe they're fetching the some details from the body and adding into the queue. That is the job. Okay, so what it will do, it will just run that another project. Okay, another process. So thanks for watching. So please subscribe if not yet subscribe. Please subscribe and like the videos, and please share the videos. So you have a different type of videos you can see. So thanks for subscribe. Thanks for encouraging me. Okay, thanks for commenting in the video. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.